Hello everyone, welcome back to SSWords, your one-stop solution for smart learning, smart earning and smart living. This is Shahbaj Sultani and today's topic is what is smart work. And this is my first video, this is my first long video with my face. Before this, I was making faceless videos and now I am making in front of camera because that time I was feeling nervousness in front of camera, but now I have built that confidence to make videos with my face, so that's why I'm making. And this is how we always grow. So let's today's video, that is how you can do smart work. And what is smart work? We always listen smart work is better than hard work, but we don't know what is the core difference in smart work versus hard work. In normal terms, we always use hard work if you are doing work in a labor, so that means you are doing hard work. And smart work, it has multi layers, so let's break it down. S stands for specific. You have to do specific work. What is specific? In nowadays we always do multiple things at once, but doing multiple things at once, it means you are doing nothing. So that's why you have to choose one thing. You have to choose one specific thing what to do. What you are going to do, just do specific things. That's why S stands for specific. And now let's come to the next point, that is measurable. M stands for measurable. Whatever you are doing, it should be measurable, because you are doing, if you are doing something that what you cannot measure, so you cannot improve. If you cannot track your records, so how will you improve? To improve, you have to measure your track records. You have to measure your progress. If you cannot measure, so it means you cannot grow. That's why M stands for measurable. Now let's come to the next point, that is achievable. Let's assume you are doing specific and whatever you are doing you can measure. That is measurable. It should be achievable also, because always we make some goals and we do hard work, but is that goal achievable? If it is not achievable, so what is the point? You, it should be achievable, and before starting, all these things should be clear. That's why A stands for achievable. Now let's come to the next point, that is relevant. R stands for relevant. Whatever you are doing, it should be relevant, because always skill shifts. Whatever skill you are going to learn, it should be relevant. Ask yourself, is it relevant? Now let's come to the point. You are doing specific things and that is measurable also and achievable also. But is it relevant? 2 years ago, I was learning coding and then I decided to take help of AI. So that skill was not relevant for me because my profession is a different and programming language is a difference. So that's why it was not relevant for me. So whatever you are doing, ask yourself all these questions. It should be specific, and as for specific, M for measurable, A for achievable, R for relevant. Now let's come to the last point, that is T. T stands for time bound. Whatever you are doing, complete your work in a specific time. Let's understand, you want to do a business and you are thinking I want to business and I want to do business, but there is a another person. He's planning about his business, his first product. He want to launch his first product in the next quarter. So it means, so this is called time bound. I think it is clear. So why smart work is important? S stands for specific, M stands for measurable, A stands for achievable, and R stands for relevant, and T stands for time bound. When all these answers you have, it means, and you are doing, if it means you are doing smart work. This is called smart work. And what is hard work? If you are doing work in a labor, so it means you are doing hard work. And hard work also, if you are doing business, it doesn't mean you are doing smart work. Smart work means I already mentioned. If you are doing in this criteria, so it means you are doing smart work. If this video helped you, like and share and subscribe to SS Works. I'll see you in another video.